Hello, grade 9. Today we have a new lesson which is the standard form of a number. When we write a large number, we then put more zeros, but we can write in the form of 10 to raise to the power of. Let's see how to write this number in the standard form. I'll take it out here. This number is 2,600,000. How to write it in the standard form? In the standard form, we replace the zeros by power of 10. So here we have how many zeros? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, and also we can write the number in the form more than 10. So gonna be 2.6 times 10 raised to power 6. Okay. Okay, let's see the next number here. Here we have how many zeros? Look, we have in this number, okay. This number has, look, 7 zeros, and still we have a number larger than or more than 10. We can put the standard form a number in the or number more than 10. So we get or we make this number 92 to be 9.2 times, what happened? 10 raised to power, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, look at number C. Here also we can put the number or we can't use the number more than 10. The number in a standard form gonna be between 0 and 10, more than 0 and less than 10. So this number we're gonna put it like, or we can make it like that, 4.62 times 10 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now you try letter D, stop the video and try to answer and return back. Okay guys, we said that we can put the number or we can use a number more than 10 and less than 0. We need a number between 0 and 10. So to let this number between 0 and 10, we will put it like that and multiply by the power of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's see another number. Okay, here the same, we need to put each number in the standard form, and we said the standard form is a power of 10 and the number between 0 and 10. Not less than 0, not more than 10. So here we have 55,000, we can write it 5.5 times 10 power. Look how many zeros here we have, and in the place of 10 here, it's raised to power 4. 55 million. And we know that million has how many zeros? 6 zeros. And 55 itself, we can put it like 55, but we put it in the form 5.5 times 10 raised to which power? We have million, this means 6 zeros and another point here, so it's raised to power 7. Okay, letter C, you can try to solve it by yourself. Try. Okay. Here we have 640 million. Million means 6 zeros. And we can use the number as it, but we need to put the number in the form or between 0 and 10. Not less than 0 or not equal 0, not equal 10, but between them. So it's going to be 6.4. Okay, multiply by 10. The word million means 6 zeros, and here we have another 0, and the point between 6 and 4 means another 0. So here the 10 raised to power 8. Okay, look at letter D. Here we have 406 million. We said how to put it in the form or in the standard form. We need to put this number in a number less than or between 0 and 6, and here between 0 and 10. Okay, and here we have a million. Million means 6 zeros, and we have another 2 places, so it's raised into 8. Okay, look at here. This time we need to these numbers, we have the numbers in the standard form, write the number in full. So let's go in the first one here. Here we have the standard form and we need to write it in the full form. Okay, we have here 10 raised to power 4. That means we have 4 zeros. And the number here 5.3 times 10,000. So it's gonna be like this. Okay, because the point is here between 5 and 3 and another 3 zeros, which is equal 10 raised to power 4. Okay, can you try to solve this one and write the answer in a comment, please? Okay, guys, here. Okay, I have a trial here. We can remove the sign or the decimal point by 2 power. So it's gonna be here 7, 11 times 10 raised to 9. So here we have the number and 9 zeros. Wow. Okay, look at letter D and focus. Here we have we have a point after 3 decimal places and we have 10 raised to 8. So we can replace this point with 3 of 8. So the number is going to be like that. Multiply by 10 raised to power 5. So the number is, I'm going to write the number as it and add 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's okay. Super easy. Okay. Another form of the standard. Look at here. If you focus the first one and the first number here we need to write the number, each number in the standard form. But focus here, this number is out of 3, out of what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 power 5. And this time we can write the number in like that, 3 times 10 raised to negative 5. Focus. Okay, look at here, letter B. Okay, here we have 600. Oh, okay. Where can we put the decimal point? We can put the decimal point here because we need the number between 0 and 10, not 0, not 10. So we can write the number like 6.66 times 10. And look how many decimal places we're gonna go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 7 or 10 raised to power negative 7. Okay. Letter C. And firstly, we need to determine the decimal place. Here, the decimal place is going to be here. So the number is 5.05 times. Look at the point. The point gonna jump back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 10 raised to negative 5. Easy? Okay, what happened here? Okay, guys. Look at letter D and try to solve and write the answer in a comment. This one. You try. Okay. Here, Number 6, write each. These numbers are in the standard form, right? Write each number in full. Okay, guys, here we have 1.5 times 10 raised to power 3. That's mean we're gonna take the point out or take it back by 3 places. So I'm gonna write 15 here. Focus the point where here. So we jump 1, 2. Okay, this point we don't take it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and put the 0 here. So the number is 0.0015. Okay, let's solve B again. Here we have the number 1.234 times 10 raised to negative 5. That means we're gonna take the point back 5 steps. So firstly, I'm gonna write the number itself. The number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go back by 5 places. Starting from here, as the point was between 1 and 2, so we jump back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we put the zeros. That's all. Let's see another one. Okay, letter C. If we look at C, here we have 7.9 times 10 raised to power 8. That's mean we have, or we're gonna go back 10 decimal places. So I'm gonna write the number itself and start from here because the point was between 7 and 9 and go back 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I put the point at 0 and instead each jump we add 0. Super easy. Okay, let's do letter D. Here, at the same, we write the number itself without zeros or without points. Okay, then we start to jump, starting from the point, start to jump back 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we add the point as a zeros here. Super easy. Okay, here another exercise, but they are the same, and you can solve this part by yourself and send the answers in a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video for your friends. I'm waiting for you next time. See you. Goodbye.